Hi everyone. In last video, we had learned the overview of project structure and also we had learned the purpose of each and every file and folder whatever used in the project. In this video, we need to learn how to add the startup.cs file manually because if you are using .NET 6 and later version and you create a new project, then the startup.cs file are not added by default. So we need to create it manually. So if you want to create and if you want to use the startup.cs file, then you need to create it manually. So in this video, we need to learn how to add startup.cs file manually and how to add the related changes in program.cs and startup.cs file. So this is our project structure. So in this project, there is a no startup.cs file. So we need to add it manually. Just right click on your project, add class, just mention the name startup.cs. So this is your startup.cs file is created. Now we need to make some changes inside the startup.cs and program.cs file. So in this block, I already added the related code. Just use that code. Add the following code in startup.cs. Just copy that code, paste over it. Okay. Now go to the program.cs file. So this is a default code. Modify the program.cs to use startup. Just copy that code and paste over it. So this is the changes we need to add in the program.cs and startup.cs file. Now I will show you how the program will execute it. Just put a debugger over there. I will add debugger over there. Save it and just F5. Build is succeeded. See, the first program.cs file is executed. So this is your entry point. If you click the F5, then this this function is executed. Now from here, it's moved to the startup.cs. See, the startup constructor is called, then configure service function is called, and then configure method. So this is the flow, and now we successfully configure our startup.cs file. Okay. So here now this program is executed, but Swagger page is not displayed. So we need to configure that Swagger page. We will see in next video. Thank you guys.